Sagittarius, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity, all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page has been a blessing to you, your word of the day is balance. Be that balanced being. Make sure that you are channeling your inner gymnast. We need you to turn that fire from a wildfire where you can burn up the whole world with just a thought, consume the whole world. No, we want you to be a fireplace where a baby can sit right next to you and it'll be safe while you warm them up. We can sit by your fire, warm marshmallows, roast marshmallows, make s'mores. We want you to be in a loving heat, a loving place, a loving energy and balance where you can attract all the blessings your way, because you're in a key situation right now where you can invite your best friends, your best allies, your best thoughts. And the only way that you can invite these things is having a balanced spirit, a balanced mind, and leading with love. I find balance between each sphere of life. I'm the master of my daily life. You are in control. Positive energy brings positive blessings. Negative energy brings tests and obstacles that prove to you why you need to let go of these negative thoughts. I make time to nourish my spiritual and physical with the mind. We read the things, the intellect we want to learn. We exercise our mind by reading. We exercise our bodies by taking that walk, doing our push-ups to the whatever extent that we can, work on our physical bodies. And spiritually, we develop a meditation, a prayer, and a going out to the elements lifestyle. Whichever way is your communication with Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, that's what builds your spirit. That's the balance that we're talking about. I bring love to the world and my world by fulfilling the needs of my body and soul. Why you bring balance to your mind, body, and spirit, the Trinity? There's no way that you can't transform the whole world, because we feel you, we look up to you, we cherish you. So continue to do that and be that example. Love one another, be kind to one another, love yourself. I love you too.